The Google Pixel 10 series is here, and these phones mark another significant step in Google's journey of creating feature-packed, competitively priced smartphones. As always, we're going to break down the review into key areas to see how well these phones perform. So let's get right into it. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out, be sure to hit subscribe. Okay, first up is the design and build quality. The Pixel 10 series carries forward a premium and minimalist design that's synonymous with the Pixel brand. But there are some nice refinements here that make these new phones feel fresh and sophisticated. The polished aluminum frame is sturdy and provides a satisfying heft that signals quality. This is further emphasized by the Gorilla Glass protection on both the front and back, which not only adds to the durability, but also gives a premium look. The camera bar at the back has been refined this year to have a cleaner look, with each camera lens now being housed in a single piece of glass, rather than being individually wrapped like before. This change, along with the fact that the lenses themselves are now flush with the rest of the phone, makes these phones look sleeker and more cohesive than their predecessors. In hand, the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro feel light, yet solid and durable. Unlike many of its competitors, the Pixel 10 series also retains a headphone jack, something that's becoming increasingly rare. The phones also come with an included USB-C 2C cable, something that's always been a nice touch from Google. The Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro also offer IP68 water and dust resistance, ensuring they can handle the rigors of daily life, whether it's a spilled drink or a sudden downpour. When it comes to the display, the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro don't disappoint. Both phones feature LTPO OLED panels that offer a high refresh rate of up to 120 Hz for smooth scrolling and an impressive peak brightness of 2400 nits. The screen is sharp, with a resolution of 108p on the standard model and 144p on the Pro. The colors are vibrant and accurate, and the contrast is excellent, making for a very enjoyable viewing experience. Additionally, the Pixel 10 Pro's slightly curved edges help to minimize reflections, further enhancing usability. The adaptive refresh rate is one of the standout features of the display. It automatically adjusts based on the content being shown, balancing between a high refresh rate for smooth visuals and a lower refresh rate for energy efficiency. This results in an excellent battery life, which we'll discuss in more detail later in the video. Watching videos, playing games, or browsing social media is a pleasure on these screens. The 10 Pro's larger display is especially immersive, making it a great choice for media consumption. And if you're in a bright environment, the high brightness levels ensure that the screen remains visible and clear. Performance is where the Pixel 10 series truly shines. Powered by the next-generation Google Tensor G4 chip, these phones offer top-level performance that's optimized for the AI features we'll talk about later. The Tensor G4 boasts improved CPU and GPU performance compared to the previous generation, resulting in snappy and smooth performance across the board. Whether it's running multiple apps simultaneously, switching between tasks, or playing graphically intensive games, the Pixel 10 series handles it all with ease. Google claims that the Tensor G4 is 2 times faster than the industry average and 3 times more efficient, and our testing supports these claims. The phones stayed cool during extended periods of use, and the performance didn't seem to degrade over time. The Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro also come with up to 16 GB of RAM and fast UFS 4.0 storage, which contributes to their overall speedy performance. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Pixel 10 series continues Google's long-standing tradition of delivering outstanding photography experiences. The Pixel 10 comes with a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The Pixel 10 Pro steps up with the same main and ultra-wide cameras plus a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Both phones utilize advanced computational photography techniques to deliver sharp, vivid, and true-to-life images. The main camera does a fantastic job of capturing details and colors accurately, producing photos that are not only visually appealing, but also realistic. The ultra-wide camera is useful for capturing group shots or landscapes without having to move too far back. The addition of the telephoto lens on the Pixel 10 Pro is a welcome improvement, allowing users to zoom in closer to their subjects without losing image quality. Selfies from the 10 Pro's 11-megapixel front-facing camera are impressive with good detail and color reproduction. Google has also improved the low-light photography on these phones, enabling them to capture sharp, noise-free images even in dimly lit environments. The night mode is activated automatically when needed, and it works remarkably well. Video recording is also a strong suit for the Pixel 10 series. It supports 8000 recording with impressive stabilization, producing smooth footage even when handheld. 4K video looks great with excellent dynamic range and color accuracy. Now let's delve into the AI and software features. The Pixel 10 series runs the latest version of Android and comes with a host of AI-driven tools that enhance the user experience. Some of these tools include real-time translation, AI voice typing, and improved call screening. However, the standout feature is the advanced photo editing tools. The Magic Eraser tool can remove unwanted objects from photos with precision and ease. The software also includes features like Best Take and Photo Unblur, which enable users to select the best frame from a set of similar shots or unblur out-of-focus images. These AI-powered tools make editing photos on Pixel 10 series phones faster, easier, and more effective. The software on the Pixel 10 series is as good as any other Android phone out there. It's clean, smooth, and free of bloatware. Google has made significant improvements to the speed and responsiveness of the UI, resulting in a snappy and fluid user experience. The Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro also come with features like Face Unblur, Audio Eraser, and Video Boost, which allow users to enhance their videos in various ways. These software features, coupled with the phone's hardware capabilities, make the Pixel 10 series a formidable creative tool for photographers and videographers alike. Finally, let's discuss the battery and charging. The Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro feature a larger battery compared to previous models, which is a welcome improvement given the phone's powerful new chip and high-resolution display. As a result, the battery life is excellent, with moderate to heavy use, easily lasting through a full day of use. The Pixel 10 Pro achieved a screen-end time of over 8 hours in our testing, which is impressive considering the phone's high-end features. The battery performance is further enhanced by the Tensor G4's efficiency and the adaptive refresh rate of the display. Google's adaptive battery feature also plays a role in extending the battery life by learning your usage patterns and optimizing accordingly. The Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro also support fast wired charging of up to 30 watts, wireless charging of up to 23 watts, and reverse charging. While these charging speeds are not the fastest in the market, they are still respectable and provide users with the flexibility to charge their devices in different ways. Overall, the Google Pixel 10 series is a compelling choice for anyone looking for a high-performance Android smartphone with a great camera and innovative software features. The Pixel 10 stands out with its solid performance, excellent camera, and clean software, all at a competitive price point. The Pixel 10 Pro builds on this foundation with a larger screen, better zoom capabilities, and other premium features, making it a strong contender in the high-end smartphone market. If you're considering a Pixel phone, these latest models are definitely worth considering. So there you have it, guys, a detailed look at the Google Pixel 10 series. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know what you think of these phones in the comments below. We'll catch you in the next one.